Is your PC running slow? Taking ages to start or open files? Don't worry. Today I will show you the best free tools to clean and boost your PC's performance like it's brand new. And the best part of all, the tools are 100% free, safe and easy to use. Let's dive in and make your PC faster than ever. Step 1. Use Storage Sense. So simply press start button and then search settings. Open the settings and simply click on these systems and then find out storage. So here you will see the storage sense. This will automatically delete temporary files, recycle bin junks and system cache, freeing up tons of space instantly. So simply enable like this. Here the pro tips. Click on configure storage sense to schedule automatically cleanup daily or weekly. So here you can see run storage sense. You simply select this every day and then select 1 day or 14 days which you like, and here select 30 days. Okay, and then click on run storage sense now. So it will clear all the junk files and temporary files from your system. Step 2. Use CC Cleaner free application. So here we are going to open browser. Simply search on Google and then search CC Cleaner. So here you can see this website. You simply click on it. Click in OK, and here you will get free download. Next to download, and here this is downloaded into my system. Right now I'm going to install it. It's legendary tools to cleaning unwanted files, browser junk and broken registry entries. So let's install it. So click on continue, then auto, then continue. Here we not want free antivirus, so here I'm going to click on decline and select continue with free and then start scan. Close all the browsers so it will scan automatically all the files. This software is very nice software because here you can perform many things like check PC health, customs clean, performance optimizer and driver updater, and everything. Very nice things are available into this software. So here we want to stop this scan first. We want to click on this custom scan, and then here you can remove couple of things like browser, registry. Select everything except browser passwords. So let's see all the things. Okay, and here browser. Here you can see this is the browser things, and if your password section is selected, uncheck it and your all the things will remove from your browser. Just only uncheck passwords. Okay, so all things are done. Now click on this clean option. Close all the programs so it will easily remove the junk files. All things are done. All the temporary files and cache files are removed. Step 3. Use advanced system care free application. So what you will do, simply open your browser, and here we are going to open Google and then search IOBIT Advanced Care for free. You simply open it, and here you will get this free application. You simply Advanced System Care, you simply click on it, and here you will see that this is downloading now. Then simply click on this Advanced System Cares and then click on yes. So this software will automatically installed in my system. Okay, here you will get the custom installation, so all the things you can check or uncheck. So here we want not in. Okay, so yes for the temporary things, then click on this install. Here this is going optional offers, so we not required it, so click on decline, and here the software will install in my system, and then I show you how you can easily use this software. Okay, so friend, here we have two things like AI mode and manual mode. So you can use anyone. It will clean junk files, fix registry, and stop background apps, and even protect your privacy. Once the scan complete, click on fix button. So here we are going to click on this manual and selecting all the things, and then click this scanning process. Once the scan completes, then click on fix, and boom, your PC feels smoother instantly. So simply my scan part is done now. Then simply click on this fix button. All things will solve in my system. After that, your PC feels smoother instantly. Step 4. Use Malware free for security optimization. So simply open google.com and then search Malware for free, and here you will get this free antivirus download. So you will download it and it will help you to remove viruses from your PC. Sometimes slow speed comes from malware or adware. Use Malware free to scan and remove harmful program, solving down your system. So when your software will installed, you can simply click on scan now, and you will get the list of threats. You can select all the things and click on remove detected threats. This keeps your PC clean and safe, ensuring top performance. Step 5. Use auto runs. So how we can use it? Too many startup programs equal to slow boot. Use Microsoft's free tool auto runs to manage what launches on startup. Open auto runs as administrator. Go to the log on tab. Auto runs. So this is Microsoft's website, and here simply click on this download auto runs, then click on open files and run this program auto runs, and click on agree, and you will get the detailed information about it. Okay, so uncheck unnecessary programs from this software. You simply maximize it, And here you can uncheck unnecessary programs, so that will not start when your PC will reboot. Okay, so like this you can easily do that. Example like this. So here we not want like this type of software like OneDrive and other application. You can simply uncheck and then click or close it. So by this way you can easily use these auto runs and manage what launches on startup. Okay, and that's it. You have just supercharged your PC using 5 simple free tools. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Hello Helper, and comment below. My PC is now faster. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.